If you've ever had trouble making friends but like computers, this video is for you. Now, that we're in the AI revolution, why not make use of ChatGPT to solve that problem for us? But we need an inspiration. Back in the olden days, we got our life advice from other places. TV. Back in 2009, when phones still looked a little bit differently and The Big Bang Theory was still a good show, Sheldon did the research and figured out a bulletproof way to solve this problem. The friendship algorithm. Thanks to the magic of OpenAI, we can just ask ChatGPT to write a SAM template for us. The template defines the steps of a state machine in the Amazon state language, ASL. We have our states with a name, a lambda function that is connected to it, and what comes as next step. After a function call, we can branch off like this. Then we can define our functions in the same file and write some inline code. To make things a little more interesting, we ask ChatGPT to give us an answer like Kripke would, responding to Sheldon. And then simply return the value as JSON for a state machine to handle. Add 2 IAM roles that ChatGPT provided us with, and we're good to go. Then continue with installing the SAM CLI and run SAM deploy. But wait, the algorithm ChatGPT gave us is missing a few steps. But conveniently, we can add them in Workflow Studio as well. For instance, we can make an asynchronous call and poll for the response. We're waiting for Kripke's callback, polling with the job poller template. Or we can map through Sheldon's list of beverages with the new process S3 patterns. If we switch to distributed, we can have various formats in S3 that store a beverage list to iterate through, storing it as JSON, CSV, or coupled with a manifest file. Less than a minute later, we have a fully functional step function definition in AWS that we can control, edit, and monitor from the console. Then we can run our state machine and check out how often simulated Kripke chooses to become our friend. We can see all the individual paths taken by each run and monitor the logs of each call with just one click. For real production use, we need a CI/CD pipeline though. AWS has us covered there too. Run SAM pipeline init-bootstrap, and SAM will lead you through a step-by-step creation. Create a Git repo with your favorite provider and deploy the pipeline. Congrats, now we've mastered the art of making friends with AWS and ChatGPT. Next time, we take a look at how the AWS blog recommends we do the asynchronous calls for real. Maybe.